Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Jupitrr. This is a tool which will allow you easily create videos with auto-generated stock footage, and you will be able to easily add and edit captions. So it is easier to show than tell about this tool, and I will show you the demo in a moment. Let's quickly take a look at the key features. We can see that it is alternative to the script. You can generate relevant stock footage on the fly with a single click. I can see you can change aspect ratio of your videos, and you can generate audiograms from your audio files. Regarding features, you have access to stock videos and photos. Please pay attention that Video Export is 1080p, 23 languages available, and basically just see for yourself which license tier will be better for you. Just take a look at how many hours of AI video or audiogram you need. For example, in license tier 2, you will have 50 hours of AI video transcription per month. Okay, so what is Jupitrr? Here we are in the main dashboard. When we click Create New AI Video, we're getting this screen. And actually, let's try sample video.
Every single person that I had a conversation with.
And we can see while video is playing, the words are being highlighted. So let's start exploring the tool. For example, when we highlight something, we can ask to generate image, and it should appear in the video.
World for me. I was used to being surrounded.
So the image was suggested, this one, though it could be nice if it was a bit longer. But anyway, it is great that you can ask to generate an image. Let's try this one. Another had their own coffee shop.
Another had their own coffee shop. One had a tech startup. It was like...
Okay, now it is better. Let's see one more time.
Producer. One had a podcast. Another had their own coffee shop. One had a tech...
Yeah, so you get the idea. You can highlight something and get imagery generated. Maybe let's ask and generate video.
Thing going on. One owned a jewelry company. One was a producer. One...
I see it is not exactly the jewelry company, so I think you need to play a bit with the prompt. Let's try one more time, generate video. Video was generated, not too relevant. Let's try image instead. Let's see the output.
Going on. One owned a jewelry company. One was a producer.
What I see could be a bit better if you could have a timeline down below so you can remove imagery. For example, here we can see the frame of the car from one of my generations, and now it seems I cannot remove that. Okay, so what other features we have? We can change the aspect ratio, portrait, square, landscape, and subtitles. We can create TikTok Reels captions.
One was a producer. One had a podcast.
That's nice. Okay, so let's actually try with my own video. Okay, let's proceed. The file is being uploaded. Now subtitles are being generated. So here it is. This is a small portion of my awarding ceremony for the best lifetime deals of the past year. Welcome to Crowded Lab and New Year news, everyone. Yep, so that is the video. Let's add video here for like and subscribe. So please give this video a like and subscribe, and let's begin. At the end of the video, I will also reveal top 5 places. It started great because you need to spend some time to add like and subscribe to your videos. So not exactly like subscribe, but at least something. Strange imagery, not relevant. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try this one, generate better images in a particular niche, and let's listen to that. With these fine-tuned models, you will be able to generate better images in a particular niche. So this was a nicely edited image. So I think you can play with it, try to regenerate it. You can generate with another keyword, because it is very simple one, generate images, but you can add your own here. Just an example, let's replace that with generate images on a coffee shop wall. Generate better images in a particular niche. Okay, so probably it can be counted as a coffee shop. All right. So we can see in the highlighted text where the imagery was added. So maybe for some type of the content, it will be great when you are describing something to add some images. For example, New Year in Paris. We can change subtitles and it will change here as well. And let's say we are describing something about New Year in Paris and generate image. It should work nice here, I expect. Now I think something is wrong. Let's try one more time. No, not working. Let's try New Year. No, unfortunately. Okay, let's try another feature, Audiogram. Let's upload audio file. Okay, so I have just uploaded some audio. We can choose from different templates or choose different design. So let's start with templates. There are a few available for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So let's use the one from TikTok. And let's try. Okay, so what is actually Audiogram? You will have video file created, like you can see right now, with captions for a video and with some dynamic images for your voice. All right, let's move to the conclusion. Jupitrr quickly got popular on the platform. It got 140 reviews on the moment of my demo. So, in my opinion, the idea is great. You upload your video, you can edit your subtitles, you can generate TikTok Reels style subtitles, really powerful feature. You can generate image or video for your text for longer parts. Maybe if you choose more text, it will produce more relevant images. Though it is not a one-click solution, you will still need to regenerate videos here and there. You will be getting some not relevant images, which you will be able to regenerate. However, I think it could be nice to have some basic timeline feature, so you can quickly remove videos that you don't like. And in my experience, there were some errors here and there when I was trying to generate stock images. So I think the tool needs some improvements. However, again, the idea is nice. And if you would like to try Jupitrr, the link will be in the description. As usual, please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.